Why Australia is 95% EMPTY. 1. Overview of the system, problem, technology. The video discusses Australia's vast landmass and how approximately 95% of it remains uninhabited. Australia, being the sixth largest country in the world, exhibits a striking population concentration in a few urban areas while its interior is largely deserted. This phenomenon raises significant questions about demographic, geographical, and historical factors that contribute to this stark disparity. Architecture, workflows, or processes, the discussion unfolds systematically. The geographical and climatic description of Australia. Historical context regarding the indigenous populations, Aboriginals, and the impact of colonization. Exploration of factors leading to the current distribution of the population across urban versus rural landscapes. 2. Key metrics or criteria. The following parameters are crucial for evaluating the reasons behind the depopulation of Australia's interior. Population density, concentrated in major cities Sydney, Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide, and Melbourne. Geographical features, classification of landforms into desert, lowlands, and highlands impacting habitability. Historical population trends, examination of demographic shifts before and during colonization and subsequent events leading to population decline. 3. Analysis details, historical context, colonization impact, the introduction of diseases by British settlers severely affected the Aboriginal population. For example, smallpox drastically reduced the indigenous population in Sydney. Culturally erasure, the land ownership concepts clashed with Aboriginal beliefs, leading to territorial dispossession and cultural marginalization. Climatic challenges, extreme weather. Australia's climate includes drought, floods, and cyclones, which drastically reduce the capacity for sustained human habitation outside coastal regions. Geographical barriers. The topography plays a vital role in preserving viable agricultural land, primarily found in eastern regions but challenged by extreme weather. 4. Comparisons, benchmarking against other countries, comparing Australia's population distribution model with countries like Canada or Russia that have vast, uninhabited lands but different population settlement patterns and climatic conditions may provide further insights. Exploring indigenous populations, looking at how other nations, for example, North America, New Zealand, have addressed indigenous rights can elucidate the broader implications of Australia's historical repression. 5. Scenarios and simulations, future projections, modeling the potential demographic shifts in Australia under variable climate conditions or changes in immigration policy, especially in the context of increasing global temperatures and environmental degradation. Impact of urbanization on infrastructure, simulating how increased urbanization pressures urban resources and whether this leads to sustainable solutions or challenges in city planning. 6. Technological feasibility, sustainable development solutions, evaluating technological solutions aimed at improving water conservation, agriculture in arid regions, and community engagement in remote areas to encourage habitation. Climate adaptation technologies, the potential for innovative technologies to mitigate weather extremes, such as advanced irrigation systems or hurricane-resistant infrastructure, can inform strategies for developing remote regions. Conclusion, the video presents a profound narrative regarding Australia's sparse population density rooted in historical injustices, geographical challenges, and climatic extremities. Understanding these elements not only sheds light on why 95% of Australia is uninhabited, but also informs discussions on sustainable development and the preservation of indigenous cultures against a backdrop of continuous ecological and societal change.